Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete server on Discord. But before getting started this video, don't forget to subscribe. How to unmute it. So first of all, open that server which you want to delete and then click on this little icon here and go to server settings and scroll down to the left hand side and click on delete server. And now here you have to give your server name. So give here the server name and click on delete server. And here you can see the server has been successfully deleted. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to unmute it. Thank you for watching.